Hello everyone, welcome to Utkala Study Point. In this video, we will discuss daily current affairs of 15th November 2021. Let's start. First question: who has been appointed as the new member of International Law Commission from India for 5 years? The right answer is Bimal Patel. Bimal Patel has been appointed as new member of International Law Commission from India for 5 years. Next question: which has the first Indian brand to launch a 5G smartphone? The right answer is Lava International. Lava became the first Indian brand to launch 5G smartphone. The smartphone launched under the brand name of Agni has been developed by Lava India and is getting manufactured at its plant in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Next question: who elected as Prime Minister of Japan? The right answer is Fumio Kishida. Fumio Kishida, leader of Liberal Democratic Party, has been re-elected as Prime Minister of Japan. Next question: where has the Kisan Bhavan and Beekeepers Conference been inaugurated? The right answer is Nagaland. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Narendra Singh Tomar virtually inaugurates Kisan Bhavan and Beekeepers Conference in Nagaland. Next question: where was the India's first center for research on drone technology launched? The right answer is IIT Guwahati. IIT Guwahati has launched India's first center for research on drone technology. Next question: which Indian Christian will be conferred the honorary title of Sant by Pope Francis in May next year? The right answer is Dev Swayam Pillai. The Indian Hindu converted Christian Dev Swayam Pillai will be conferred the honorary title of Sant by Pope Francis. Next question: where has the 3-day national level squash competition started? The right answer is Prayagraj. In Prayagraj, the 3-day national squash competition started. Next question: who is set to receive the Ambedkar Sundar Award for 2021? The right answer is M.K. Stalin. Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu M.K. Stalin is set to receive the Ambedkar Sundar Award for 2021. Next question: who has started the Nirmaya Gujarat scheme? Right answer is Bhupendra Patel. Nirmaya Gujarat scheme launched by Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel. The scheme for all the peoples above the age of 30 years in the state will be screened for the detection of diseases. Next question: who is the author of the book titled Nehru the Debates that Defines India? The right answer is Tipuradam Singh and Adel Hussain. Tripuradaman Singh and Adel Hussain are the author of the book titled Nehru the Debates that Defines India. Quick point of the day: who has written the book Sunrise over Ajodhya? Salman Khurshid. Where has the Union Health Minister recently inaugurated the 32nd Hunar Haat in Lucknow? Who has been appointed as new Secretary General of Rajya Sabha? Right answer is Pramod Chandra Mode. Who has been appointed as Director General of Narcotics Control Bureau recently? Answer is Satyanarayan Pradhan.